Humanity generates over 2 billion tons of waste every year, and glass alone makes up 20%. A single bottle can outlast entire civilizations in a landfill, yet it can also be endlessly reborn through recycling. This is where high-speed industrial crushers step in, transforming everything from metal and wood to stone into reusable resources. Crushing old cars is not just entertainment. It's recycling at work happening right here. The steel from this 1992 Corolla will be reclaimed, saving tons of CO2 emissions compared to producing fresh steel directly from ore. Each car recycled helps reduce landfill waste and supports a cleaner, greener, more sustainable future.
Are they?
The Ansta Biomass AB car crusher delivers up to 180,000 foot-pounds of torque, powered by a 450 horsepower diesel engine. Watching it flatten a VW Jetta in seconds shows how hydraulic force converts raw energy into precise recycling efficiency. Sweden engineered this beast for endurance. Nobody expects a machine not meant for cars to handle them so well. Yet the Leidy shredder devours a vehicle shell with startling ease. Seeing reinforced steel collapse like tissue leaves, jaws dropped, proving that engineering often exceeds the limits we assume possible. The Vermeer HG6800TX packs a 950 horsepower Cat engine with a torque curve optimized for drum adjustments. Switching chip sizes lets it handle playground mulch, biomass, or paper mill feedstock with industrial precision while reducing wear and maximizing throughput. crushing aluminum tubes reduces their volume drastically, making collection and transport easier. Every ton recycled prevents around 9 tons of CO2 emissions. That means today's shredded tubes are directly contributing to cleaner air and a greener future for the next generation. Dismantling buses is complex, with reinforced frames and mixed materials. Hydraulic claws crush steel while glass and plastics are separated. Recycling each ton of bus steel saves over 1.5 tons of iron ore and major energy, proving industrial recycling eases pressure on natural resources. Years on construction sites teach that cleanup is tougher than building. Franzoy makes it easier. Its hydraulic jaws chew reinforced slabs that once broke jackhammers. Workers trust its Italian build, safety sensors, and steady throughput when every hour counts. The SSI shredder hits with 175,000 foot-pounds of torque, powered by twin 250 horsepower electric motors. Built in the USA, this machine transforms reinforced vending machines into recyclable chunks within seconds, showcasing unmatched energy transfer and industrial control.
Come on here, there it is!
Feet on once, steel carts served bustling warehouses. Now, within SSY's chamber, they surrender to modern recycling. Watching old frames crushed into reusable pieces recalls how industry evolved. Yesterday's workhorses reborn as tomorrow's resources. Nothing ever truly wasted. If cars had feelings, meeting Squalo and Drake would be their worst nightmare. Imagine 10 Italian hammers slapping a rusty sedan until it folds like pizza dough. Industrial recycling has never looked so brutal, yet oddly delicious for the planet. Decades ago, waste wood meant bonfires behind factories. Today, Mezzo 6012 transforms scrap into reusable chips, fueling biomass energy plants. Watching it work feels like witnessing progress. from smoky dumps to clean cycles, a quiet reminder of changing times. To power this big demands respect. The Ulnova 95DK shreds industrial waste with ease, but workers must gear up. Helmets, shields, and distance. Its torque could twist steel beams like twigs. Safe practices ensure recycling's benefits never come at human expense. Uses a 72-inch throat and 300 horsepower motor, delivering immense torque to rip OTR and AG tires into 10-inch chunks, prepping uniform feedstock for downstream shredders. After decades working beside shredders, this dual-shaft setup earns respect. Variable frequency drives keep the torque steady, preventing dangerous kickbacks. Crushing heater fans may look simple, but trust me, safety gear and training matter, because even slow machines bite hard. The Moros HP1100 shear at Bradford Waste Traders packs a 1,100-ton cutting force, driven by a hydraulic motor exceeding 400 kilowatts. Each stroke slices through structural steel beams like paper, delivering consistency, precision, and energy efficiency. Spain's engineering is known for worldwide. There's something oddly satisfying watching pallets vanish into chips. The hum of the 250 horsepower motor feels like background music for cleanup day, turning messy stacks into neat piles. It's recycling with rhythm, and profit just happens naturally. The Arges 250 packs twin-shaft shredders with 220 horsepower, delivering up to 45 tons per hour. Its torque-driven cutting system handles green waste effortlessly, reducing branches and roots into uniform chips, ready for composting or biomass energy production. Worked years in plants handling coal dust. Protective gear matters. Helmets, filters, gloves. Machines may tame explosions, but real safety comes when workers respect every spark's risk. Watching the R936 and Finley 595 reminds you, even the heaviest rubble can be moved with the right tools. Life's obstacles feel the same, huge at first, but manageable when you apply steady force and the right technique, step by step. Imagine the camera zooms in. Spinning steel jaws lock on Korean planks. Tension builds, and within seconds the boards snap with thunderous cracks. It feels less like recycling, more like witnessing raw power rewriting the fate of discarded floors. The SBR3 screen, with its 20 by 20 millimeter square mesh, thrives on wet, heavy soil. Fed by the Liebherr 508 loader, its vibrating system delivers consistent throughput. German engineering ensures torque stability, to minimizing clogs and maximizing productivity in harsh conditions. It's wild to see cardboard, light and flimsy, collapse under 90 kilowatt power like it never had structure. The contrast shocks the brain. Gentle packaging turned to dust by torque alone. That's industrial strength redefining what fragility means. There's something oddly calming watching Seaview's LDPE shredder. Bags glide in, shredded bits pour out like confetti. It's recycling with a party vibe. Loud, colorful, strangely soothing. Proof that industry can be both useful and oddly satisfying to watch. The Uencha RS30 runs with a 22 to 44 kilowatt motor, delivering torque strong enough to shear HDDs and SSDs in seconds. For bulk destruction, the RS100's massive cutting chamber meets DIN 66399, making it a benchmark in data security engineering. pressed into dense bales using hydraulic presses. These bales are highly valuable because aluminum can be recycled indefinitely without losing quality, saving up to 95% of the energy compared to primary production from bauxite ore. Bulldozers and excavators redistribute soil to stabilize terrain, even under snow. This process prepares the ground for construction or reclamation. Reused earth reduces the need for quarrying new material, saving costs and minimizing environmental damage. Whoa! Seeing a 45-centimeter thick forklift tire, 540 kilograms, sliced like butter blows the mind. You expect resistance, but the machine barely flinches. Raw torque leaves nothing standing. Recycling glass into new bottles is proof of sustainable green tech. But the journey doesn't stop there. High-speed industrial crushers keep turning waste into new resources. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe to uncover more industrial secrets with us.